In this video, I'm going to show you how to change video background in CapCut. Basically, it's pretty easy. Just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all we need is just to open our CapCut and then just create a new project. Then we need to add the video we want to change background for example, this one. Let's delete the last part from the CapCut. And also we need to add the new background we want to add. For example, I'd like to add this one. So now we can change format. For example, let's make it like 9:16 to 9. So then just change, resize the picture here, and then just resize the picture here. So after that, we need to remove background from this video. To do this, all we need is just to click on this video on the timeline, and then in the bottom menu, just scroll to find cutout right up here, and then just click on remove background. So as you can see, our background was successfully removed, and now we need to move this video to make it like smashed with the other video. To do this, we need to click on it and then just choose the overlay here. So after that, as you can see, now it looks a little bit strange, but we need to wait for a little. Yes, we need to wait, change the duration of the last video, and now pick our video once more here, and then just go to cutout once more. So as you can see, now the removing background process is still going, so we need to wait for a little, but we can click on turn on and then just turn off. And as you can see, now our background was successfully changed from just like main video to the nature video. So this is the way how you can change background in CapCut. I hope, guys, this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and watch my other tutorials. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.